Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is about quotations on Quaid-e-Azam. Quotation number 1. Quaid-e-Azam was a beacon of hope for the oppressed Muslims of India. Quotation number 2. These were honored in their generations and the glory of the past. Quotation number 3. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was one of the greatest statesmen of the 20th century. Quotation number 4. He was the architect of Pakistan and the liberator of the Muslim nation. Quotation number 5. Heroes are not born, they are made by the choices they made. Quotation number 6. He was not just a leader but a savior for millions of Muslims. Quotation number 7. With faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Quotation number 8. The man who changed the destiny of the Muslims of the subcontinent. Quotation number 9. Jinnah's character and commitment to justice were unmatched. Quotation number 10. A nation is indebted to its leader and Pakistan owes everything to Quaid-e-Azam. Quotation number 11. The Quaid-e-Azam taught us faith, unity and discipline to build a strong nation. Quotation number 12. Jinnah's wisdom was the foundation on which Pakistan was built. Quotation number 13. No power on earth could defeat Jinnah's resolve for a free Muslim state. Quotation number 14. The leader who gave Muslims dignity, identity and a homeland. Quotation number 15. Quaid-e-Azam was one man army who fought for the rights of Muslims. Quotation number 16. He was a statesman who dedicated his life to serving his people. Quotation number 17. Jinnah's principles are the guiding light for Pakistan's future. Quotation number 18. His leadership was a gift from God to the Muslim nation. Quotation number 19. Quaid-e-Azam dreams was united, progressive and peaceful Pakistan. Quotation number 20. Failure is a word unknown to me. Thanks for watching my video. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.